Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about what's probably one of the best driving experiences for the money today. What we have here is a 2012 987.2 Porsche Boxster with a 2.9 naturally aspirated flat 6 engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. Finished in triple black, meaning black exterior, black interior, and black top. The 987.2 introduced much needed improvements over its predecessor. It has a more modern, refined interior and exterior styling and updated technology. Most importantly, you no longer have the dreaded IMS bearing and bore scoring issues or the flaky buttons in the interior of the previous generations. Both the base and the S models now have a 6-speed transmission instead of the 5-speed of the previous base model. The S has a 3.4 direct injected engine, while the base being a 2.9 port injected. I personally prefer the port injection of the base model because you don't have to worry about the carbon buildup issues of the early port injected engines. At every 50,000 miles or so, you will need to remove the head and manually scrape the carbon buildup out of the valves. Production was from 2009 to 2012 model years. During this time, Porsche suffered severe decrease in demand. It was forced to reduce production. As a result, the 987.2s are low production cars, especially the 6-speed manual. PDK was the latest and greatest option to have at the time, so most cars were sold with the PDK automatic transmission. It is believed that less than 10% of the vehicles sold had the 6-speed manual. With the low production numbers and improvements over the previous generations, these vehicles have become very desirable. They are new enough to have modern amenities while still having classic Porsche styling, excellent mechanical steering, and the great sound of a flat 6 engine. This Boxster was equipped with the convenience package. In the front, we have bi-xenon headlights, dynamic cornering lights that pivots with the steering angle for better visibility, and daytime running lights, rain sensing wipers, and headlight washers that clean the headlights at the push of a button. On the inside, it includes automatically dimming interior and exterior mirrors. They have the capability to dim the light reflecting from their surface. Individual interior options are automatic climate control, heated seats, and the Porsche crest on the headrest. We also have the infotainment package. It consists of the Porsche Communication Management, also known as the PCM, and the navigation module. Optional extras is the Sirius XM satellite radio and Bose surround sound system and Bluetooth. Having Bluetooth alone for me is worth getting this over older models. Bose surround includes 11 speakers, 2 subwoofers, and an amplifier. In this small cabin, it sounds amazing. We will go over into details on the infotainment system on another video. The exterior options are the wind deflector, 18-inch Cayman S 2 wheels, and lastly the factory limited slip differential. Limited slip differential seems to be a very rare option. It was not available on the 986, maybe on the 987, I'm not sure. I have researched for months, looked at all the vehicles for sale, and I have yet to find another with the factory LSD. If you have more information on this topic, please let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know what you think this Boxster is worth. This being a 2012 model, the lowest production year of the 987.2, these many options, the manual transmission, the limited slip differential, it's very difficult to put a price on this because of the very few comps available. In our next video, I will tell you how much I paid for this back in March of 2021. We will go through my experience on purchasing sight unseen online and what you should look out for. Please like and subscribe to be notified when this video is available.